Hello everyone, today we'll dive into the world of softball and we'll learn the fundamental skills every player needs to know. Hello, my name is Rachel. Hello, my name is Daisy.
Hello, my name is Pascal.
Hi, my name is Aiko.
Hello, my name is Awi.
Hello, my name is Glory.
Hello, my name is Jonathan.
Hello, my name is Grace.
Hello, my name is Nefta.
Hello, my name is Stefania.
Do you know what softball is? Softball is a team ball sport played by two teams, each usually consisting of 9 players. The main objective of a softball game is to score more runs or points than the opposing team runs a score by hitting the ball thrown by the pitcher and running around the base. In addition, softball also aims to train the skills of throwing, catching, and hitting the ball, as well as developing game strategies and among the players.
Softball, the sport we know today, had its roots in the United States in the late 19th century. Originally, the game was played indoors in the winter as an alternative to baseball. Physical education teacher George Hancock often held indoor ball games and developed a more structured ball game. As time passed, softball became more popular and spread to various countries. The International Softball Federation, or ISF, founding in 1952, was an important milestone in the development of softball internationally.
Baseball and softball are often compared because they have similarities in equipment and how to play them. However, the two have quite significant differences. Here are some of the main differences between baseball and softball. For the field size, softball fields are smaller with a distance between base of about 16 feet, while baseball is about 19 feet. Ball size of softball is 11 until 12 inches in diameter, larger than of baseball with about 9 inches in diameter. Game duration, softball consists of 7 innings, while baseball 9 innings.
Let's rule at the basic rules of softball, starting with the rules for the number of player position, and the field.
Softball is played by two teams of 9 players each, who assigned to a specific position on the field. All 9 players have their own roles and duties and are essential for a team to be a winner. First baseman is the one who covers the first base and catch throws from the infielders, while the second baseman is the one who covers the second base and handles ground balls hit between first and second base. Third baseman is the one who covers the third base and handles ground balls hit between shortstop and third base. Shortstop is a person who covers the area between second and third base, handling the most difficult ground balls, while pitcher is the player who throws ball to the batter, and catcher is a person who positions behind home plate, catching the pitch ball and throwing to bases. Right fielder is the person who covers the right side of the outfield, and left fielder is the person who covers the left side of the outfield, while center fielder is the person who covers the center of the outfield. A softball field is a diamond-shaped area which is divided into 2 fair areas and foul areas. The fair area or game area is divided into 2 parts, namely the infield and the outfield area. Here are the following size of the softball field.
In playing softball, there are some rules that need to be obeyed. Rules in softball games such as the number of innings, how to score points, strikes, balls, and home runs. The first one is number of innings in softball games. In a game, the team will continue to hit the ball until there are 3 players who are out before it is time to change turns with the opposing team. After both teams have had 1 inning, the game will continue until it reaches the specified number of innings. Usually, innings in softball are 7 innings or can be more or less than 7 innings. Next one is how to get points in a softball games. The way to get points in a softball game is when a batter or one of the team's players can head back to home plate, then the group will get 1 point and a team will win if it gets points more than 7 innings. The next one is strike. Strike is the process of hitting the softball by the pitcher up to 3 times but not hitting the ball. If strike has occurred 3 times, then the batter must leave the field and be replaced by the field guard. In a game, strike can occur because the ball from the pitcher that is hit is not hit. Balls is one of the conditions in which the ball thrown by the pitcher enters the area in the strike zone, and also the batter does not swing his bat. The last one is home runs. Home runs are the result of a hit that bounced over the outer boundary of the outfield that cannot be reached by the guards or by the baseman.
Gloves are used by defensive players such as fielders to catch pitchers' balls. These gloves are designed in various sizes and shapes to suit the player position on the field. The bat is used by the batter to hit the ball. Softball bats are made of aluminum or wood with size and weight regulated by the rules. Softball balls is a larger and softer version of baseball.
Pitching is a term used that means throwing the ball, and someone who throws the ball is called a pitcher. There are several techniques for pitching. The first is underhand throw, which starts with a standing starting position, and the right hand holds the ball. The legs are open and the body is slightly bent. Then, the arms are straight down behind the back and the direction of the ball is thrown forward along the ground. When throwing, the foot and step one next time. Then, there is overhand throw, which starts with a standing initial stance and both feet shoulder width apart. The throwing motion coincides with the left foot stepping forward. Throw the ball up by swinging your arms.
Apart from that, there is a pitching technique with a slide hand throw. Starting with both feet shoulder width apart along with the step of the left foot, the throwing arm is pulled behind the head and the body leans slight backward. Throwing the ball straight forward at the chest or shoulder level of the recipient of the ball assist by whipping the throwing whisk.
In general, good hitting technique involves 3 main components: grip, stance, and swing. When hitting the ball, we must ensure that the bat is well controlled when swinging by holding it with both hands. Then, feet shoulders width apart, knees slightly bent, body weight rests on the front of the foot, eyes focus on the ball. After that, when the ball comes, the swing starts from the back foot, then influences the whole body. Contact with the ball occurs at the main point of the bat. After contact, continue swinging until completion.
Fielding is a basic technique in softball that involves the act of catching a ball that has been hit by a batter and then throwing it to the appropriate base. The main goal of fielding is to prevent the opponent from scoring points and getting outs. The way to do it is feet shoulder wide apart, knees slightly bent, body leans forward slightly to prepare to catch the ball. Eyes always focus on the ball. When the ball comes, use both hands to catch the ball. After catching the ball, immediately throw it to the target base.
To running between the base to reach home plate, it involves a combination of speed, technique, and strategy. When the ball is hit, immediately run as fast as possible towards base. Stay focused on the base you are going to and the ball. Make sure your body touches the base before the ball. After touching base, immediately stand up and be ready to run to the next base if necessary.
I hope this presentation has provided you with a better understanding of the fundamental techniques of softball. Remember, practice makes perfect. So get out there and start practicing, and thank you for listening.